देहरादून में समिट फिनसर्व प्राइवेट लिमिटेड ने अपने नए कार्यक्रम का उद्घाटन किया। कंपनी के संस्थापक शशांक जैन और निदेशक अक्षत जैन सहित पूरी टीम इस मौके पर मौजूद रही। कार्यक्रम में मुख्य अतिथि के रूप में ए बाला सुब्रमण्यम ने शिरकत की। 35 वर्षों के अनुभव के साथ कंपनी आज 5,000 से अधिक ग्राहकों को सेवाएं दे रही है। इस अवसर पर शशांक जैन ने कहा कि हमारा उद्देश्य है कि वित्तीय जागरूकता और गुणवत्तापूर्ण सलाह को शहर के हर कोने और हर घर तक पहुंचाया जाए, ताकि हर व्यक्ति अपने आर्थिक भविष्य को सुरक्षित और सशक्त बना सके। और क्या कहा, सुनिए।
Basically, we have been working here for last 40 years in the name of Balaji Investments, and since we are expanding now, we have updated it to a private limited company in the name of Summit FinServe. As such, we are already doing with various institutions here, as such, and so it's a bigger and a better equipped office for us to serve our clients. We are already handling about 4,000 people, individual clients, and about 68 institutions in our area. All major educational institutions, ashrams, and providing them with financial services and helping people, guide people about how to meet their financial needs and goals, basically, for the last 40 years.
What is the financial position? It is under ATC.
No. It's nothing to. We help people plan their investments, their retirements,
Okay.
their goals, financial goals, basically. Tax planning is a part of ATC, basically. So that also we do as such. That's a small portion of that investment part, ATC or any financial goals or how to save taxes, etc. That is a part of a goal of a investment plan.
Sir, we want to ask you what is the turnover?
Yeah. Turnover, of course, I'll ask him to tell Shashank Jain. I am A. Balsunyan, MD and CEO of Aditya Salam Fund. Come from Bombay to participate in the inauguration of new office of Shashank Jain, who has been associated with the Indian financial market for the last 30 years and been associated with the mutual fund industry for the last almost 30 years. They're one of the most reputed advisor from Dehradun, helping various institutional investors, as you rightly mentioned. Various institutional investors have got a lot of surplus money, but do not know how to actually invest those money in a very prudent manner, taking down the risk associated with the investment, as well as the return expectation they should have over long period of time. So he has been one of the most reputed, we all admire by the work that is being done by Shashank Jain in his office in Dehradun, in helping all the investors. That's something we are proud to be associated with them. Aditya Salam Mutual Fund manages close to about 4 lakh crore assets under management, being part of Aditya Group and Sun Life from Canada. In the industry for more than 32 years, operating out of Bombay. And we are one of the early entrants in the Indian mutual fund industry. And myself was the chairman of ANSI for 4 terms, and helping the mutual fund industry actually to grow to where they are size today. Today, mutual fund industry size is about 80 lakh crore size and 8 lakh crore overall size. And Shashank Jain is also one of the contributors from Dehradun. I think they manage close to about 5,000 crore of assets under management, including advisory assets under management.
This is the first office.
No, we had already an office here in Rajpur Road. So we have made a bigger office here. Basically, that office space we require more people now. So we have made a bigger office.
This
Region only. We are catering to Uttarakhand entire, Mussoorie, Rishikesh, Harbar from this Dehradun office. Basically, and even in Nainital, we are looking from catering to our investors sitting here. So we need more team, bigger team to handle our clients' work, etc. We are growing bigger, so we require a bigger office. So we have shifted to a bigger office.
So I think the prosperity that we see in across the country, different parts of the country, the prosperity levels are quite high. So wealth effect has been rising. The need for investing in a very prudent manner to safeguard your hard-earned savings, at the same time invest for long term. And that's something Shashank Jain and his son have been actually advising customers as to how to invest the money for long term. First of all, save करना पहले जरूरी है, उसके बाद बराबर इन्वेस्ट करना जरूरी है, उसके बाद लॉन्ग टर्म का जॉब का जो समझ के जो लॉन्ग टर्म को इन्वेस्ट करना भी जरूरी है. और शशांक जैन साहब ने उनका कस्टमर को अच्छी तरफ से एड्रेस करके उनको जो निवेश करने के लिए जो हेल्प कर रहे हैं, I think he's doing, I would say, great service. जो नया ऑफिस जो बनाया है is also is something उनका जो seriousness जो है in terms of building the business next level of growth और बड़ा करके बड़ा customers को और ज़्यादा customers को advise करने के लिए जो कर रहे हैं. This is a reflection of that.
Last question I want to ask is how the war is affecting this?
See, war is an international phenomena. I think the war is something it's what was not expected. It's called a geopolitical risk. उसका जो impact जो है already market में आ चुका है actually. But these things doesn't last for too long. Therefore, the current volatility that you are seeing because of war, worldwide that you are seeing, whether it is in the equity market or currency market, or oil and commodities में जो ऊपर नीचे हो रहा है.
What message you want to give?
I think this kind of period, I think is always look at long-term investing is more important. Staying invested is more important. Continue to save is very important. Now, this is not something one should get worried about what will happen in the short term. Because short term will be short-lived. But I think in the longer term, I think India as a country, I think should do well. So those who have been investing in the market, those who have been investing in the mutual fund, those who have been investing under the advice of Shashank and the team, should continue to keep their faith and optimism on for long-term investing. Right now is uncertain time, no doubt. The best portfolio is always built during the uncertain time. Therefore, one should keep that in mind while building portfolios.
How about you, Vice?
Yeah.
The name of the company, as you have seen, is Summit FinServe. So Summit FinServe basically means reaching the top of the mountain. So the mountain, the peak is not climbed in one day. It's climbed with a variation of ups and downs, just like the market. So it's better to be invested and be consistent. And reaching the top takes time, but it's definitely, it is the one thing which it's like climbing the Mount Everest.